Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to get your Bitcoin or BTC address on Binance. So the first thing to do is to log into your Binance account, and if it is on the website version, just go to binance.com, then log in with your email, with your password. Then after that, tap on wallet at the bottom right of the screen, then select fiat and spot or funding wallet depending on your interface. Then after that, click on the deposit button, then choose the Bitcoin. So to do that, in the search bar which is under the deposit button, then search for BTC and select Bitcoin. Then from there, choose the appropriate network. For example, you can pick Bitcoin network for your transaction, and make sure the network match the one used for sending Bitcoin. Then after that, copy your BTC address. So to do that, your BTC address will appear as combination of letter and number. Then you can also tap copy or scan the QR to save the address. And that's a simple step-by-step guide on how to get your BTC address on Binance.